Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at stock number CP16135T. It is a pre-owned 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. It is black clear coat and color, blacked out front grille. Down low you got your fog lights, 17-inch black alloy wheels. Inside, your doors have all your power equipment for your mirrors, windows, and locks. Power leather seating, leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The seats are heated as well. 7-inch touchscreen Uconnect Sirius satellite radio. Center console has a storage area in the front and up here as well, also showing power outlets down here. Got a little storage area and also some more storage down below. Power sliding doors, stow and go seating, so you got seating for 7. Spacious third row. Power liftgate, plenty of room for storage back here. Again, we're looking at stock number CP16135T. It's a pre-owned 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Or give me a call at 937-778-0830, or you can visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.